She's gonna attack you. Reese.
She's okay.
Okay, let's go get the kitty.
You should videotape your guinea pigs.
The guinea pigs are boring though. Hey, kitty.
I left my shorts out. I didn't know that. I don't think this is gonna work so well. Oh my God, through it. Yeah.
I had it perfect, and then she just has to. Ah!
Oh!
I need to make my bed. I need to. No, I don't want to cover it. Yeah. I need to make my bed. Film the cat, not me. Meka? Meka, thank you. Meka.
Payback.
Reese.
Payback. Camera's in your face. What are you gonna do about it? Camera's in your face. Camera's in your face.
Meka.
I know it's annoying, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Exactly.
That's what I do to you.
Kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh my God. She's gonna attack me.
Yeah.
Dude, this is deja vu. I had a dream about this. Did you know that?
I have deja vu.
No, like a couple years ago, before me and you were even friends, like I imagined like your best friend and everything.
That's weird. Meka, you're weird. I don't know why I hang out with you.
'Cause you're weird too. Kung Fu cat. Alright, I'm gonna stop this somehow.
Here.
Oh. Wait, it has